Hello, little learners. Welcome to today's fun and exciting kids learning quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge with some awesome questions? I'll ask each question, and you'll have 4 choices. Try to guess the right answer before I reveal it. Let's get started.
Basic Kids Learning Quiz. What is the first letter of the alphabet? The answer is 8. How many fingers do you have on one hand? The answer is 5. What color is a banana? It is yellow. What number comes after 9? The answer is 10. What is 2 plus 2? The answer is 4. How many legs does a cat have? The cat have 4 legs. What shape has 3 sides? The answer is triangle. Which of these is a fruit? It is apple. What is the color of the sky during the day? It is blue. What sound does a dog make? Bark. What is the opposite of big? Small. What is the capital letter of B? Option C. How many legs does a spider have? Answer is 8 legs. What is 3 plus 3? The answer is 6. Which of these is a vegetable? Carrot. How many eyes does a person have? Answer is 2 eyes. What do you use to write on paper? Answer is pencil. Which of these animals can fly? Answer is the bird. What do we drink when we are thirsty? Option A. Water. What color is an apple? Answer is red. What is 5 plus 5? Answer is 10. What number comes after 19? The answer is 20. What is the opposite of hot? The answer is cold. Which is used to tell time? The answer is clock. What do you wear on your feet? The answer is socks. What is the baby of a dog called? The answer is puppy. Which of these animals lives in water? Answer is fish. What is the shape of the sun? Answer option C. Circle. What do you use to eat soup? Answer is C. How many days are there in a week? The answer is 7 days.
Wow! You did an amazing job. I hope you had fun and learned something new today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay curious. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for fun learning videos. See you next time, little geniuses. Bye-bye.